Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So of course we are here today. I'll be showing you guys how to make the green seasoning. So we have some garlic on here, we have some lime, so I have this thyme right here. I got all these from Walmart. Yeah, so I have these spring onions, I have this parsley, and I have some of this. I don't know if it's called habanero pepper or something. So I have this pepper right here. You're also supposed to have your what's it called, your curry leaves. Well, I got these things and they did not have the curry leaves, so I decided to go with this one. I waited, I went back there several times, they did not have it, but my leaves were about to maybe spoil, so I was like, okay, let me just go ahead and to start this up so I don't just waste what I have gotten already. And then the next, I think I went back the next day and then they had the curry leaves. I bought it, just blended it in and mixed it up with my spice. So just know that you have to have a curry leaf in it. Yeah, just so you know. So now I'm going ahead to wash off everything that I am going to be using. Of course, you're going to be blending it all, so you don't need to like finely chop it and all that. But I just cut it up into, cut it up so it can fit in the blender. So I washed up everything and then I cut them up and blended them batch by batch because they all couldn't fit in my blender. Of course, my blender is kind of small. It's not so big like that. So I am blending it right now, and I just kept on, as I'm blending and the things are going down, I just kept on adding more and blending it as much as I can. I just kept on adding more and blending it in. So once I was done with the first batch of blending, I went ahead and poured it in my bowl so I can have the space to blend the next one. Okay, But if you're lucky and you have a big blender, then that's fine. Go ahead and use that as well. And oh, that reminds me, if you're new to my channel, my name is Ada, like I said earlier, and I enjoy cooking. So if you're new on here and you like what you're seeing, you can go ahead and check my other videos. I post so many recipes, okay? So go ahead and check out my video, and if you like this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and click on that notification bell so you don't miss my next upload. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. I've seen the growth of my channel, and I am just so happy that you guys like my channel enough to subscribe. So thank you so much for joining me on this channel, okay? So now I'm going ahead to blend in the second batch. Adding oil to this. Oil will help you, mix everything, blend it so well. I think I forgot to say that in the beginning, but you need a cup of oil. So you see how it turns as I've added. That's my baby, sorry. So now that I'm done, I'm pouring everything back into the blender so I can mix them all together. I don't want them being separate. So now this is what it looks like. I'm going to go ahead and squeeze in the lime juice in it. This helps to keep it fresh. And then you can go ahead and store it in your fridge. So you can use this whenever you want to do some barbecue, whenever you want to roast something, anything you want to cook, you can basically use it for it. And yeah, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please, if you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will definitely be seeing you guys in my next video. Bye.